Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Proton Mail guide for 2026, I'll show you how to fix Proton Mail unexpected error issues. If you're seeing an unexpected error message while logging in, sending emails, or using your account, here are some quick solutions you can try. First, refresh the Proton Mail page or restart the mobile app. Temporary glitches can often cause unexpected errors and may disappear after a simple restart. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt communication with Proton Mail servers and trigger error messages. If the error only appears when performing a specific action, such as sending emails or uploading attachments, test other features to determine whether the problem is isolated. Another possibility is a temporary service issue on Proton Mail's side. In that case, you may simply need to wait until the service is fully restored. Pay close attention to any error codes displayed on the screen. These codes can help identify the exact cause of the problem. If none of these solutions work, contact Proton Mail support and provide details about the error, your device, browser version, and the steps you've already tried. And that's how to fix Proton Mail unexpected error issues. By checking your connection, updating your software, and refreshing your account session, you can solve most unexpected errors quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.